Good morning, students. Today, in our English literature class, let's proceed to our fourth chapter. And the name of the fourth chapter is Settling In. Over here, we'll read an extract from a diary entry of a young girl by the name Annie Frank, and the name of the book is The Diary of a Young Girl by Annie Frank. She belongs to a Jewish community, and for this reason, she had to lose her life to Germans, as Germans hated, especially Hitler, Adolf Hitler, hated the Jewish community. This about Jewish community and Hitler will come to know in our next classes. You can ask your history teacher about Adolf Hitler and about Jewish community. So back to your literature class. So before starting our class, we should know the characters of this story so that it is easily understandable. So, the first character is Margaret Frank. She is Annie's sister who was older by 3 years. She was only 16 when the family went into hiding. Hiding means the place where they used to hide from their enemies, means Germans. The second character, the mother. Annie's mother was Edith Frank. She came from a wealthy family and spent most of her life in Germany before being sent to the concentration camp at Auschwitz. Means she was a wealthy family member, and she used to live in Germany before she was sent to a concentration camp. Father Annie's father name was Otto Frank. Annie considered him her savior and confident in the annex. Annex is the name of the hiding place of Annie Frank and his family and his friends. He was the sole surviving members of his family after the war. Means only Otto Frank survived after the Second World War. His family members died during the war. He arranged for the publications of Annie's diary. Next character, Van Dance. The Van Pearls were called the Van Dance in Annie's diary. Mr. Van Pels was a business associate of Otto Frank. Associate means a person who works with another person, means we can call it a partner. He, his wife, and son joined the Franks in the annex. Mr. Kielman. Joe Kielman was Otto Frank's friend. He was officially employed as a bookkeeper for Apteca and Patikon, Otto's business. Means he was a accounts person who used to keep the book of Mr. Otto Frank. Nib, a Dutch woman who assisted the annex residents with food, clothing, books, and companionship. Means she was a woman which helped them with everything. She, along with Bip, helped retrieve Annie's diary after the annex residents were arrested. Means after the arrest of the people residing in the annex. Miss Me. was the person who helped in saving Annie's diary. Beep. Elizabeth Beep Wokudsi was Otto's Frank's colleague. Colleague means a person who works together. She helped conceal the Frank family from Nazis' persecution. Nazi Hitler. Hitler's party were called Nazis. Mr. Kugler. Victor Kugler was an employee at Otto Frank's Optica company in Amsterdam. Amsterdam is in Netherlands. Okay, so let's begin our story from here. Read an entry from the diary of a young girl by Annie Frank. She, along with her Jewish family and friends, lived in hiding for over 2 years in fear of the Nazis. Nazis were the people who belonged to Hitler's party. Nazi was the name of the party. The Nazi party, led by Adolf Hitler, ruled Germany between 1933 and 1945. The Nazis imprisoned and killed millions of Jews. Annie and her family took shelter in some secret rooms behind a bookcase in Annie's father's workplace. So let's start Annie's diary. The day is Saturday and the date is 11th July 1942. Dearest Kitty. Kitty is the name given to Annie Frank's diary. Annie Frank's diary was close to her heart, so she gave her name Kitty. Dearest Kitty, father, mother, and Margaret still can't get used to the chiming. Chiming means melodious sound of Westerton clock, which tells us the time every quarter of an hour. Means over here we can see Annie's parents and her sister are not acquainted to live over there. Not me. I liked it from the start. It sounds so reassuring, especially at night. Annie said, I like the sounds because the sounds are putting me in comfort, especially during night. You no doubt want to hear what think of being in hiding. Well, all I can say is that I don't really know yet. Annie feels that she don't really know what she feels while staying in the hiding. Means she can't express her feelings. I don't think I'll ever feel at home in this house, but that doesn't mean I hate it. Annie says that she doesn't feel this house as a home, but that doesn't mean that she hated the house. It's more like being on vacation in some strange pension. Pension means small house in Europe. In European countries, small houses are called pension. And he says it gives a feeling that we are on a vacation staying in some strange small house. Kind of an odd way to look at life in hiding, but that how things are. She explains that living here is such a difficult situation, but they are helpless. They have to stay over there. The annex is an ideal place to hide. Over here, Annex means a small building attached to a big building, means a smaller part of a big building or a main building. The annex is an ideal place to hide in. It may be damp and loop sided. Loop sided means slanted. But there's probably not a more comfortable hiding place in all of Amsterdam, no, in all of Holland. She says this place is very, very comfortable in hiding. They can't get a suitable and comfortable place compared to this in all of Amsterdam or all of Holland. Let's stop till here. Further, we'll continue in our next class. Thank you.